They're so fun. Yes, please. Thank you, Essence, for making these. But no, I was wrong. What's up, everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders, and this is my channel. We talk about a lot of things here, mostly makeup and skincare. Sometimes we unbox something, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, please stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Today, we are doing a ranking video of the 6-pan palettes from Essence. I have them all right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you about each one. I was trying to film a video, however, that didn't work very well. Because I'm a friggin' idiot. I will try and post some pictures here if I have them. But let's just get right into it, and I'm going to tell you which ones I like the best. And there's 6 of them, so we're just going to talk about it now. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go my least favorite to my favorite. So my least favorite from this collection was actually this one, the Coral Me Maybe. I liked this one, but it just wasn't my favorite. I do want to mention all of these palettes retail for $4.99 Canadian each. That's it right there. So 3 shimmers, 3 mattes, comes with a full-size mirror. There's nothing wrong with these shadows at all. They performed very well. It wasn't necessarily my favorite color story, but honestly, for $4.99, there's nothing wrong with this palette at all. Nothing wrong with any of these palettes. I want to say that right off the bat. They are very, very good quality for what I paid. Like, really good. My next favorite one was this Ice Ice Baby. I did do 3 short videos, so if you check out my shorts playlist, you will see my thoughts on this palette. It's nice. It's blue, so it's really not one that I'm going to reach for all the time. I do like the shimmers though, how they all are kind of like stony, kind of grayish. You know what I mean? They're cool tone. They're not blue. I like that a lot. It's a nice palette. Has a mirror. Fantastic. Just not my favorite. Is it worth $4.99? Hell yeah. And next, this one I actually thought was going to be my least favorite out of all of them. So the Bronzed This Way. However, I enjoyed this one a lot more than I thought I would. I kind of thought this one would be in the bottom and Coral would be where this one is, but no, I was wrong. And that's why you have to put things to the test so you know. So this one's really nice. These shades complement each other really well. They're easy to use. They were easy to blend. I really didn't have, there were no real issues. So this one's pretty good. We have this one. We have the I Like to Mauve It Mauve It. This one's very nice. It's a very pretty palette. Look at that. Isn't that so nice? So nice. Look at this shade right here. Just to give you a little swatch right there, okay? $4.99. Yeah. Yeah. So good. So, come. Yeah. Yes, please. Thank you, Essence, for making these. And then we have the Dancin' Green. I love these names. They're so fun. Open. That's it right there. It's very nice. I really like this shade right here. Really easy to wear. This one, this lightest shade is kind of has a little bit of a shimmer to it. It's the only one that I've noticed that had a shade that was it wasn't fully matte out of all of these palettes, if that makes sense. Super, super fun. And then last but definitely not least, this one was my favorite. This is Tope It Up. This is the one I'm wearing right now. I did just do another short video, so you will see it there, where I did do a review also. So there's part 1 and 2. I'll leave it all linked down below. I have to say, well done, Essence. First of all, there's no wasted packaging here. Look at how friggin' small these are. Perfect. Perfect, compact. I'm keeping all of them. I will not be decluttering any of these. I think that they're going to be some go-to palettes for me. I enjoy how they each only cost me $4.99 Canadian. Amazing. Like, that's just like, I can't even tell you how good of a deal that is. I pay, like, I need an example. I need to compare this. Just an example. I haven't filmed with this palette yet. I probably will tomorrow. These are the BH Cosmetics. This is the BH Cosmetics Birthstone series for November. So, 7 shades. One is bigger. 6 shades. Very similar pan sizes. This is just smaller. This just has a lot more extra packaging. These are small. Like, I could grab like a palette that's just with 6 to 9 shadows that is so much bigger than this. That's what I'm trying to get at, is I really just like the size of these. Especially when I want to downsize, because I always talk about downsizing. Like, my space is gonna get smaller. It won't get bigger. I know it's gonna go smaller. So I want makeup products like this that are easier for me to store. And the fact that they're awesome makes it even better. So that's it. I'm done rambling. Let me know if you have tried any of these palettes, and if so, which one was your favorite? I like them all. Not gonna lie. They're all pretty good. I'm very happy that I bought these. When I walked into that Shoppers Drug Mart that one day and saw them, I was like, impulse buy. Buying all 6. I do that sometimes. Not often, but sometimes I do. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. It has been an absolute pleasure, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video.